Well, we have some news or some updates about this from the super pixelated pixel you're looking at. Pixelated pixel? No, the pixelated picture that you're looking at right there of Jason Anderson and Hunter Lawrence. This is from Salt Lake City, the finale of Supercross, where this pass happened. And yeah, that exactly. You don't need to, Jason Anderson kind of does, whatever, takes out Hunter Lawrence. I think it was for fourth place, something like that. And it is what it is. He took him out in the race for position. It sucks, and it was kind of one of those things. And then he posted on Instagram, which you can read that if you want. Joking about going 2 for 2 because obviously this is after the was it San Diego? I think I want to say thing he had with Jet Lawrence grabbing his helmet and blah 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 blah. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know anything about like what the actual monetary size of this is. I've heard $4,500, but the penalty list or whatever you want to call it came out, and it's Jason Anderson got a written warning for that. For this night, he got a written warning. And Hunter Lawrence got a written warning and also a fine, which is where I heard the $4,500. I don't know if that's actually true or not, or what the actual amount is, but it was for that right there. And if you watch, you can actually see, at this point, Hunter Lawrence is a lap down. He is out of this race, finished 15th, I think, and you can see him look over, look at Jason Anderson, find out where he is, and then brake check him and kind of sort of try and push him off. Like, it reminds you of, again, the Bogle and Barsha thing from a few years ago, where uh, Barsha took out Bogle. Bogle did the same thing, waited on the track and took out Barsha afterwards. Well, kind of what Hunter Lawrence did, but Bogle did it more effectively. He actually took out Barsha. But the question is, Bogle got a DQ for that. Let's just play some numbers here. I think, and in this instance, Hunter Lawrence finished 9th in the Supercross Championship, 7 points ahead of Malcolm Stewart, who finished 10th, and there is a 7 point gap between the two of them. For this race, because he finished 15th, Hunter Lawrence gained 7 points. So technically, those 7 points give him 9th in the championship instead of being tied for 10th or even below that. I don't know how the points would work out. So everyone's saying, oh, it doesn't even matter if you got DQ'd or whatever. No, it kind of does. Actually, for Malcolm Stewart, he might have moved up a position in the championship and gotten more of a bonus or whatever. I think it's whatever. The Supercross season is over. If he gets a DQ, it doesn't really matter except for to Malcolm Stewart. Otherwise, this is gonna, who knows, maybe carry over into motocross. I don't even know if Anderson's doing motocross. So if you know, comment down below. But I'd like to hear your opinions on this because the last video I made, which was yesterday about this, you can read the comments and half of them are Jason Anderson is old and can't make a clean pass, and half of them are Hunter Lawrence is getting special treatment because he's a Lawrence and his brother is who he is. But so I would like to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Obviously, now that we know the penalties or whatever to this, was it enough? Too much? Not enough? Whatever it is. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.